Pull over. This is the police. Pull over. Pull over now or I will ram your car off the road. Driver in the white Mercury Marquis, pull over now. This is your final warning. Get out of the car.
What?
I said get out of your car.
I'm a little hard at hearing. What did you say?
Cottonhead, get out of your car now.
Hold on a second. I'm a little old.
How old are you, ma'am?
I'm only 102.
Can I see your license, insurance and registration, please?
I do not have one anymore. They took my license away 30 years ago.
Do you know why I was trying to pull you over?
Was it because I had my blinker on since I left my house?
No.
Was it because I can't see over the steering wheel?
No.
Was it because I don't look out for traffic when changing lanes?
No.
Was it because I tried to run over the pharmacist because he wouldn't give me any more pills?
No.
Was it because I often forget what pedal is the brake?
No.
Was it because I sometimes drive in the wrong side of the road?
No.
Then why did you pull me over?
It was because 5 days ago there was a silver alert out for your car 3 states away, and yesterday you left your husband in the gas station after he had a stroke.
It's not my fault. I have Alzheimer's and slight seizures.
Get in my car now.